Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is the Kenyan Programmer. On today's video guys, I want to show you how you can be able to make an animated text. So let me show you the text which I'm talking about. So the animated text looks like this one. So as you can see, the text in your screen, it's changing colors. It has a number of colors changing from green, it is moving from the left side to the right side. So as you can see, it's changing from blue, green, yellow, red, so many colors. So having said that, even before you dig into the code, I want you to take a minute of your time, go to YouTube, search for the Kenyan Programmer, make sure you hit that subscription button, watch my videos, like them, share and comment. In case you have any query, you can just reach me out through the comment section and I will be able to respond to your query. So let's dig into the code. For my case, I prefer using the Visual Code Studio. In your Visual Code Studio, create a folder in which you will be writing your code. Then from there, we come and create the index.html file. For my case, the project I'm working it in a folder called animated text. So you create your index.html file. Then from there we create another one, the CSS, style.css. There it is. So for the case of the HTML, we just write one line of code. So for this case, let's make our boilerplate. Can change the title to animated text. You can also link your CSS file. They have linked it. Then from there we come and write a h2 tag, and you can just write any name that you want. It can be the name of your channel, your name, anything, any name. So for my case, I will write the name of my channel, the Kenyan Programmer. There it is. Then we want to make it run on our live server. So as we wait for the live server to open, we now go to our style.css file, and as we usually say, we start by writing the asterisk sign. Actually here our live server is opening. Let me minimize the two screens so that they can be able to fit on one window. Let's wait for the live server to display our output. So as you can see, here is the name, the Kenyan Programmer, as you can see. So now we want to edit it, we work on it so that it can have the animation that we had put it in our previous button. So in our style.css, as I usually say, we start with the asterisk sign, meaning all. Padding, let it be 0. Margin, also let it be 0. And box sizing should always be border box. Having said that, then now we come to our body section. In the body section, we want to bring this text at the center, this text here at the center of this page. So we come and say let the width be 100%, the height should be 100 VH, this one here. Display should be flexed. Another thing should be justify content, should be at the center, and align items should also be at the center. So as you can see, our text has moved from here to this point here. So what we'll do next, we want now to work on this text. So even before that, we can just put our background to be color black, but for the purpose of seeing the changes, we'll first have to comment this one, the color. Now we come and work on this the word Kenyan programmer, so it will be H3. It was H word, I think it was H2, yeah, so sorry for that. H2, we start by increasing the font size. I give it 70 pixels. Then from there, we give it a font family. You can give it a font family of your choice. So for this case, I'll give mine Fantasy, so there it is. Then from there, I'll come and give it a background color. This is the section where we are writing various colors in which we'll be changing. So for this case, you come and say linear gradient to write, and then you come and write all the colors that you want. For this case, I can put red, blue, crimson, purple, yellow, green, and make sure after each color you write, make sure you put a comma on it apart from the last one. I can also come and add another color like pink. So from there, having done that, now I think we can change this one background there, but let's still comment it. And from there, we want to make such that these colors here, the color behind the text, they will not see them, like we send them behind the text, the actual, how do I put it, the actual size of the text. So we come by putting a property called background clip, you come and say text. So actually what has happened is that all the colors are behind the letters. In a case where there is no letter, the color disappears. So if you want to see now the colors, you come and say the color of this text should be transparent, so you can see the colors. So for that case, having done that, we can now come and remove the comment in the background, so you can see how beautiful it is. So having done that, we want to also increase the background size. Let it be 200% background size, sorry for that. Then from there, we come and create an animation which will make the colors to move from this section to this one. So the animation, we call it change color. We give it a time of 3 seconds. Let it be linear infinite. So what I mean by saying linear infinite is that actually it will not, the colors will not have an end. It's not that it will move from here to there and then it stops. It will just keep on moving. So then having from there, we come now, we write the animation at keyframes, and then we take the name of the animation, change color. Then we come and say at 0%, it should be 400, background position. Ground position should be 50% by 400%. And from there, as you can see, it has already started changing in a way. Then from there, when it is at 100%, it should be background position should also be 50% by now 100%. Let's wait. Actually, it should be the other way around. This one first, we should be starting with the 400. Sorry for that. So as you can see, how the color is changing. Even this one, we bring it here. So as you can see, in order for this color red, we change it. For example, let me give it a time like 10 seconds. As you can see, the transition is not that good, because we have ended with the color pink. So as for the transition to become at least good, we end with the color that you started here. So if you started with color yellow, make sure you end it with color yellow, so for the transition to be good. So you can see the way the transition is good. So this was what I wanted to show you today. Guys, thank you for watching up to this point. And as also insist, take a minute, go to your YouTube, open your YouTube, search for the Kenyan Programmer, like, subscribe, share my content and everything. So guys, thank you for your time. Adios.